It has got great features which make it distinct from rest of the competitors. They are removable batteries. The batteries can be removed from here. It has cruise control, then keyless entry, connected features, and many more to explore.
It was a pleasure to be part of this function. It was a nice, well-organized event.
I think the world is going electric now. It's a good way, a good investment to go the electric way now, considering the running cost of the fuel and safe riding everyone. And I think you should go for Vida.
And one in Goa. And apart from Hero dealerships, we are associated with Hyundai, we are associated with Renault, we are associated with Kia, spread across Hubli, Belgaum and Goa. We have around 35 own outlets. Apart from automobile dealerships, we are also into agriculture, commodity trading and processing. And we are very happy that we will be completing 1 year in Goa. So last March we started our dealership in Goa with a new edition Vida. Vida is the electric vehicle, the new future mobility from Hero MotoCorp. We are really happy to be associated with Hero MotoCorp, with Vida, and we are sure that with Vida we will again be the market leaders in Goa.